I think this is super weird in the Greenville. And they have game again, y'all. Like, they got Christmas cars, Christmas updates, and all this crazy stuff. Like, just check it out. Said there's new cars and stuff, and where are they? Cars and more. Hold on, let's rejoin them. Let's check this out here. See? Holiday update cars and more. Let's check it out. Wonder why I was kicked. Don't tell me I'm banned out of Greenville. Took a screen real quick. Hold on, I got an idea. I'm gonna join my friend's server. Y'all, Merry Christmas Eve, y'all. I'm gonna film today, and you already know it's gonna be epic. Southwest Florida's updating. Y'all, it's saying there's a sale. Y'all, I wonder if they brought kart racing. Maybe like a new bank or something? That'd be pretty cool. That'd honestly be really cool. Well, I will get back to y'all whenever I get in. Alright, y'all, we just got back in. It's the old thing. Okay. Okay. I'm not seeing any new cars or anything. Let's get in, boys! Yes, sir! See what's up here. Yeah, I already own all the passage in here. Okay, we got some. What is this? What is this? What is this? Is this a Raptor 6x6? Y'all, I might have to sell my Bentley and some other stuff. I don't care. Ooh! I got some. Yes, sir! Let's go. Y'all, I will be right back to y'all. Y'all, you already know, bruh. You already know, dude. Alright, so I'm selling all that I can right now. Other than what I absolutely need.
How long would it take you to get in?
Like a minute and a half maybe.
I join you.
Alright, bet. Bro, look at all this.
Lord. Wait, what is that?
The 6x6? The 6x6?
Oh, thank you, 16.
Yeah, but I'm definitely gonna think about it though. Like,
How fast does it go?
185, you? Okay. But then the snow plow, bro? You already know, dog. Yo, I think we might have to be WSP for this game. For security or something, because y'all already know I'm gonna buy all these up. Yeah, dumb. How did they get all these?
Are you open the room?
Alright, we got a long bed up in here. Got a long bed up in here, bro.
Oh Lord, those two cars are expensive.
Yeah.
Show me how fast they go.
Well, first off, that one goes like not even that fast. That one goes decent. You know, me and the developers worked together in this, so let's check it out and see if these actually work then together.
Which developer did you work with?
Can't remember what his name was, but like,
Wasn't it Jax?
yeah, I'm pretty sure it was like Jax or something.
Wasn't it Jax or Winston?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Wait, is there new jobs?
Yeah. Oh, I forgot I didn't have enough money for that one. Okay, so we got a new Bentley up in here. Okay.
How much is it?
I'm checking all the prices out right now. Looks like we got a one for 267. It goes 208. But I'm kind of getting my eye on this one right up in here. The RAR Baja. Wow. Might just have to sell the Bentley up in here. Yeah, let's sell the Bentley. See if we can get something from it. Wait, let's check the travel one. Okay, so they did add this one. Remember me telling you about this one?
Oh yeah.
They did down the speed a little bit though. Yo, do you want to go grab Cody?
Oh, they did add a new building.
Yeah. Yo, I'm trying to check out this new snowplow, dog. Yo, this is decked out. Yo! Yes, sir. You already know, bro. Yo, I think we might have to do a DOTRP in this. Well, let's go ahead and get to going through the trucks that we bought. We bought this one. It's got a little tent on the back. You already know, bro. We bought the new Falcon Traveler. And y'all, I'm not sponsored by Roblox. So Roblox, please don't take my video down. Okay, so let's check out the new dually that they've added. Okay. Comes with a
How much of it?
good 15-spoke rim on it. Looking nice. Okay, it's looking good, looking good. Check out the WSP truck up in here. Jeez. And then, you know, we gotta check out the new security truck also. Maybe the new security SUV.
Gee.
Yes, sir. Fresh. Fresh. Yes, sir. Y'all already know how this is going to be used up. Checking out the lights on this one.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, what's up, Envy?
Well, this kid has to use Bugatti.
Yo, look at this. Look at this, bro. This do be clean, though. Yo, we gotta check the lights on this little bit, boy. Yes, sir. Yo, move over or slow down is the law. Okay. We got a pit maneuver bar on here. And then we got the snow plow up in here. Nah, you're good, bro. Yo, MB, did you see the new snow plow? Yeah, here it is in person. Yeah, for real though. Yo, let's do it up. Yep. Okay. Let's check out some of the new jobs. It's BOCSO. You already know what's gonna check out this new WSP truck up in here.
No, this is already.
Man, I wish I could buy it. Yo, look at the rims on this beast. Look at this. Bro, I'll be whipping people to the side of the road all day, y'all. Yo, I can't believe this. Yes, sir.
Wait, should I buy the 2.7 or
I don't know, did you? And then you got the money for it. You got 2.8. No, you got 2.8 million. So,
I can see that the one
what's up?
It's 7.
Oh, yeah, 7 million. Oh, yeah, 7.3, 3.8, 3.7, whatever. Yo, I am, like, I'm tweaking over here. I can't get over this. Y'all, Greenville, y'all messed up with this, bro. Bro, this is a beautiful thing. I love this, bro. It's a beauty. Yo, should we do a top speed test? How fast does it go? I have no idea. You know what? I got a little heart for you. Just shut him right back off. Because that might be considered happening, but like, just put it up here. Like, I love this truck. Y'all, shout out to you, Greenville, and Roblox, and all these people for creating this, bro. Alright, let's hit it. Okay, so not the best acceleration. And it doesn't turn the best. Unless you're like rubbing on the brakes, then you're not turning the best. Which could definitely be like fixed, but y'all are good with this? Okay, so let's do a 40 to up. Okay, I see it. I see you. Ooh, drop top speed looking like 102. I love the brakes on it though. Bro, the brakes really are amazing. Yo, Andy, look at this. Look at the brakes. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, y'all, what do you say we go patrol? Y'all, I might even try to pit maneuver somebody. I'm gonna try to look for one of those new cars. And I'm gonna straight pit maneuver. Like, yo, Jake Paul's in here. Yo, he's a known criminal up in here, isn't he? So you already know we might have to pull him over. Trying to get a little cuss on my little boy. Alright, so today's criminal is one of those, that blue car, you know? Yes. Is that what Jake Paul's from? Let's check if they got any new rims. Bet you they do. Yeah, you got the car? Yeah. That's one things I can see. It's good and go. Hold on, I'll be right back here. Alright. Just had to run the couple out real quick. Yo, I think we might set up a speed trap or something. What do you say? Yeah, set up a speed trap. I don't think they can do it. Just like that. Alright, so I'm 115 right now. This is amazing. I'm definitely gonna go to spawn and definitely try and set one up. And we'll probably set up like a roadblock or something. Gotta get some gas right now. Cause you know, I gotta fill the truck up. $11. Alright. And we'll get back to you once we get another stop. Alright, y'all. Right now we're getting a roadblock going. Sir, please get back in the truck. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is my friend. It's Jake. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the truck, bro. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. We're back. Waiting on somebody to come speeding out of spawn like they like to do. No, but he was speeding already. Alrighty, we hit a pit. Wait, that guy's not him. I'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this, and the next video will be DLT. And then we will do the security roleplay. I'll see you guys. Alright, yeah, we're checking out this truck now, yo. Alright, let's see it. Golly! Dad, go! Yeah. Yeah, I'm rolling. Dad, go! Dang, dang! Dad, go! Nah, I'm go on patrol in this brand new DOT truck. Wait, hold up. Nah, I'm rock the streets. Yo, look at the new school bus, guys. Alright, y'all, let's light them up. Alright, y'all, we are now out of control. We are now gonna go home. Hit it twice, copy. I am at Southlands. I'm reporting there now. What is he doing there? Burnouts? My mother. I'm not seeing anybody here. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get out and deal with this kid, and then that's the deal for today's video.